My guy Carl brought out his beautiful F30 335 with the N55 motor. He did a FABSPEED catted high flow downpipe AW exhaust. AW sounds pretty quiet, pretty civilized, no?
Yeah, it does.
It's not too loud at all. Yeah, I like it a lot. And you get just the right amount of burbles. So he's clearing all emissions and stuff like that. Everything is perfect on the car. Boot mode, stage 2, 93 map.
90. I got E30. The E32 is not on there right now. I'm on 93 right now.
Okay. So stage 2, 93, 6-speed with the F80, F82 M437 wheels. Like this blue right here, I like it better than the black. Well, it might come off as gray to a lot of you guys, but it's more bluish in person. It looks dope. I feel like it complements the car pretty good. You got a little bit of carbon, and you got the black lip on the bottom. You got all the carbon in the safe spots. Carbon, where it won't fall off or get damaged. Whew, you got the rear diffuser there too. I didn't even see that. My man got the duct tape holding it like.
Man, you put duct tape on my car, brother.
Yo, this thing is beautiful, man. Come on now. And there's no spacers? What you got running right here? No spacer?
No spacer.
Whoo, you got that almost that flush / baby boy fitment a little bit. You know? I was trying to go for it for the back a little bit on mine, but mine is just a little bit more in. This is a clean example of a 335. And if you ask me, if your 335 look like this, don't sell it. Please do not sell it. Man, nah, that's better than that.
Welcome to my car collection.
He says my car collection.
No way. Alright, subscribe, bro.
Yo, thanks, man.
Wait,
thanks.
let me see.
Slow speed. YouTube channel. I tried doing YouTube.
Wait,
Yeah.
I swear, I think I saw his video yesterday.
I don't depend on what video.
Did you add 2 air intakes to this car?
Yeah. Intakes to the front. Yeah.
I watched your video.
Yeah.
I saw this fucking
video.
I saw this video.
Exactly. That's what you were talking about. That's what I was talking about. Yeah.
I like it though. The interiors on Benz just got me, man.
The steering wheel is correct.
Yeah, that's damn. What is it? 2022? Yeah. Oh yeah, she's nice, man.
I love it.
You probably gotta move it back because you know, yeah.
Wow.
But it fits pretty good, yeah.
Guys, how do I look in it? Nice car.
All right, bro. Yo, y'all take it easy. Woo. Yo. Yeah, I changed your setting number 2. So you good.
Okay.
It should be the same setting as how it was before. But you might want to put your little seat comforter thing on the back.
Yeah, for my back, yeah. But you know what? These seats are very
Your seats are good.
very
It ain't like the Thailand.
Not like that either. I mean,
Yeah.
I feel like I don't need the seat cushion for my back.
Uh-huh.
I feel like I could just drive in it and it's very comfortable, man.
Yeah, man. Yo, I'm telling you right now, man.
A single turbo.
Yeah, single turbo 6-cylinder. It's the same motor as C43, I think. Yo, those kids in high school, bro. What you drove in high school?
Nothing. A 72 Volvo.
Yo, my first car was a 1992 Camry, bro. I feel like I went from rags to riches, bro. So really gotta give a shout out to you guys out there, man. Because for those of you who like the videos and subscribe, you guys push them so we can reach all new types of people, bro. It's crazy when people pull up and be like, oh, I've seen the video. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. Shout out to you guys for coming in and pulling up randomly, I guess. I'm glad you guys like the car. I'll take you guys for a ride one day. Yo, now back to the 335 after that. Over the times, a lot of people have been transferring from the N55 to the B58. Now, it's no surprise and no secret that the B58 is a better motor. When I had my 435, EcuTech wasn't out, motor reflex, and all those things. And DCT and transmission upgrades weren't exactly the most common things out there for this car. However, today, 700 wheel is achievable. It might not be the same torque. You might not have the same torque curve as a B58, but listen, man, not everybody is a race car driver who does digs and everything like that, man. You can have so much fun with this car. They sound nice, and they look identical. And I'll put a list down below of all the parts that he has on his car and what I think it takes to get to 700 wheel in this thing. Unopened motor with just a few goodies. My big boost kit that I had on my car, coupled with port injection powered by motor reflex at EcuTech Flash, either built transmission, the HP70 upgrade, the larger frame trans that would come in something like this, or a DCT swap with the clutches can execute something like that. Something about this motor, just popping the hood, just gave me such like flashbacks, and I don't mean good flashbacks. We've been through a lot with this, the N55, but I'll tell you right now, I own the 435, and I was up to sell it, or I thought about selling it. The answer would be a hard no. I wish I would have just kept it, locked it up away for about a year or two, got over all of my fears and PTSDs of this N55 and all the money I was spending, and then just brought it back out when it was time to make just a smidgen more power, because the technology in these things now are insane. You might not be able to load up the boost down low, but you'll still have tons and tons of fun. In the past, I made a video titled Ways to Save Your N55. I have a list of things in that video. I'll try to link it right here. It's not that hard. The B58, I'll be honest with you, they're just bulletproof motors. If you don't have a BMW, I'd recommend B58 any day. They can take a ton of power for very cheap. And well, let's face it, you don't have anything to, so you gotta make a U? Oh, I think I gotta move. That bus about to make a U? But if you have one, just enjoy it, make it fast, I guess pay it off cash, and you know, do your thing. Yeah, I got the padding on the dash, you know, to protect it from the sun. It's like, that's old school stuff. I know they made it in cars like this, but yo, I gotta give a shout out to my guy, bro. My guy for letting me drive this car. Man, that thing looks sexy as hell, man. Yeah, you're all right. I got you. I'm gonna jump in front of you.
Really nice, man.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yo, I skipped second gear to be real with you, bro.
Yeah, you go on second. I mean, you can't help it. I mean,
yeah.
I go second all the time.
I see what he means by the handling. Yo, going from the G80 to this, yo, you really feel the difference in the handling. Yo, Carl, speed it up, man. Oh. She goes. It's pretty fun, man. Would have been super dope to have a manual transmission, second gear grind. There'd have just been a lot of power, manual, rear wheel drive. I mean, big turbo, the boost came on kind of late anyway. Any N55 that's gonna last, the boost is probably gonna come on a little late. And it would just been like a Supra style car, like one of those kind of cars, and I think that would have been a perfect car to keep for a lifetime, because let's face it, I don't think I'm building anything like it anytime soon. Sometimes I get the itch and I get upset that I got rid of it, because, well, I'm not gonna build anything like that anytime soon. And it sucks because that could have been the car that I just kept. Let me just skip a second. The car that signified the younger days of slow speed, you know what I mean? The wild and crazy. I need to win the lotto. I'll do it again. Oh, man. People ask me how I feel about going from the B58 to the S58. I just deal with the grind. And to be real with you, my foot is killing me. To be real with you, yo, I don't even think about that car anymore. But I think about the 435 and what it could have been. I mean, you always think of what it could have been. If only I would have kept that baby. Man, I can't go and check it. That's a hefty turn. I try not to scare the people I drive out here with that turn. Yo, this thing is a blast.
Car looks damn good, bro.
Yeah.
Driving it. Yeah, man.
What do you think?
The seats are very comfortable. I feel like I don't need the seat cushions.
Yeah. Yo, this thing is so weird though, bro, because it scares me. When I go around the corner in this and I jump in this, I'm like, okay, I see the difference. Like, I feel like I was gonna die. It's like
Always scraping the front spoiler and destroying them. You know, when they sit this low. When you're going at such a high speed and with them dips, sometimes the car's flying in the air.
I'm not sitting right. I don't know if it feels very
Bro, this car, man.
I feel uncomfortable. Feel this shit?
Yeah. The car kind of reminds me of the GTR in the sense that it doesn't feel like it's gonna let you
Die.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, that's how tight
That
my
lady
knees
would have
is
been
too.
hurt by now. All right, my man. Yo, son. All right, man. Chill. This car's insane, yo. You know what I get? It's not you that I'm worried about.
I know what you mean.
I don't want no assholes popping out on us.
Well, that we don't have
That's what
we don't have any intersections here. There's a little launch. It doesn't do much at all.
This car, to me, this car feels sportier than the M3.
I don't know. I haven't driven a G80 like that. So I don't- look, bro.
Whereas-
Full traction off. Full traction off, right? Hear me out. M2 confirm. Nail it.
F80 would have been like.
Yeah.
That's
Once you get these things hot, you're good, bro. Now it does slide out.
I believe you.
Bumps are terrible over there.
Are you gonna take it to NJMP?
Oh yeah.
Can you call me when you go? Because the G-Wagon.
Yeah, but the G-Wagon been there.
Bro, this car right here, man, is like another
Go ahead, bro.
BMW mechanic Hempstead.
answer. Yo,
Thank you.
answer. What's up, man?
So we parked out about to take some pics. Put in the comment section below, man. What you guys think, man? Huh? Should I do another build? F30 335. This thing looks sexy. It's so clean. I think that's what it is. It's such a clean example. It's not like molested with so many mods. It's very clean. It's like almost with OE. I see why people pay more for OE now, because so many years to go by and it just has such a beautiful and tasteful look. You know, paint's in decent condition. The wheels, everything is like in proper condition. It doesn't scrape, it's not inconvenient. That's what I like about it. Oh wow, look, upgraded LCI taillights too. None of the GTS stuff. It looks nice and simple. Comment below, man. This guy don't have an Instagram, but put in the comments and let me know how you think it's built. Yeah, don't hurt yourself, bro. Whew. That would be dope to have in a stable. My G82 M4 and a 335. you guys like this video. I know it's kind of pointless, I guess, for you guys. I just really wanted to get out and enjoy myself. Got some nature, got some cars. What more could a man ask for? All right, friends, FABSPEED. Peace out.